Morning guys, it is Mother's Day 2021 and it's about 8:30 in the morning. I just showered, got ready, did my yoga this morning, all those things, and now I'm going to head downstairs and have some tea. I have no idea what we are up to today. My kids said they had something planned, so it's going to be a surprise to all of us. This morning, I had a really big bluebird come to my bird feeder by the window that I always show you guys, and usually the birds that come are like teeny tiny, like this big. And it was so big, and I think as soon as it landed, it kind of lost its footing because maybe the bird feeder isn't quite strong enough for it. So I was sitting here for a while with my camera trying to get some footage of it coming back, but it never did. Anyway, that was my excitement for the morning. So I'm gonna head downstairs, have some tea, and get the day started. My neighbor friend who puts together these beautiful floral arrangements made two, one for my mom and one for my mother-in-law, so we're going to be giving those to them today. I think they're so pretty. Good morning, Leo. Good morning. Leo had his birthday this past week. His birthday is on Cinco de Mayo and he turned 4 years old already. You're such a big boy, Leo. And Chester's still sleeping like a baby. Chester's birthday is coming up soon too. I have two May birthday boys here. Right, Leo? Chester's not waking up. He must have had a rough Saturday night. Oh, so sleepy. So I'm just having my tea. I'm using my Cool Mom mug today, which I think is pretty appropriate for Mother's Day, right? And I don't know where anyone is. Like, everyone's car is here, but I don't see any people, so I don't know what's going on. But I am going to just have my tea now. It's actually turning out to be a really nice day. I think we have some serious rain coming in later, but right now it's sunny, still cool here in New Jersey. We're seeing weather pretty much in the 50s for the most part and still getting pretty low at night. I am ready for some warmer days, that's for sure, but at least the sun is out now, and yeah, I have no idea what's going on today. Okay, so it's about 9 in the morning and apparently we're headed out somewhere, but I don't know where. And Madison just wanted to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
So, you guys aren't telling me what we're doing?
No.
No.
She is so bad with surprises when she's like, are we eating there? Are we like eating? Is it outdoor or inside? Because like I need to know whether I need to wear sneakers or like high heels. Like,
well,
okay, Mom.
I need like...
We might as well just tell you what it is.
I just need to know what to wear and if I'm eating because I'm really hungry. And if I'm not eating, I have to eat now before we go. That's all I'm not trying to ruin anything. I just have a hungry belly right now. All right, so I'm going to put on my sneakers and we're gonna head out. Okay, so the kids brought me to this really, really beautiful location where we used to do class trips all the time, and they made a really nice picnic that they're setting up. Let me see. Is that salami? It's a salami flower? Very nice.
Nice, yeah. Salami flower. You need help there, Madison?
Madison has some chai tea latte. Whoop, whoop.
Like,
do it over the grass, honey.
Don't pour it over you or the
Yeah, do it over the grass. We have chocolate covered strawberries, blueberry muffins, bagels with cream cheese, and salami. Nice job, guys.
Hey, Emily planned the whole thing, and that's why she's my favorite.
Emily did plan the whole thing. And Madison, yeah.
Madison helped.
That was very nice. So we had a really nice picnic, and now we're taking a hike through the trails that they have here. It's really, really nice. And we realized that the class trips that we used to go to were when they were in first grade. So that was how many years ago? The last time I was here, 12 years ago? Crazy. It's really pretty here though. So this is a nice way to spend Mother's Day morning. It's so quiet and so pretty. Keep walking straight, okay?
I bet you can make it to the other end.
Don't fall, Madison.
Patrick, push her. Don't. Mom, can you come here?
You need help getting down?
Not as high up as I thought.
Okay, so we just got back home and we picked up some Dunkin' on the way. I got tea and we have munchkins, and I think the kids are getting some gifts for me now. Okay, so we were just about ready to play Clue, and then we decided we don't have time, but it's a game I've wanted to play for a while now. So we're gonna actually head over and see my mom in a few minutes, but I thought I'd show you some of the very thoughtful gifts that I got for Mother's Day. I have these masks by the company Kitsch, and they're so cute. You can see this one actually matches what I'm wearing today. But I really, really love the patterns, and I've wanted this brand for a long time. So this is great and perfect for our upcoming Disney trip. And then some makeup that I desperately needed, and look, they put it in the Bippity Boppity Boutique bag. So I have my favorite liquid liner that I've been using. This is the Better Than Sex liner, and this is waterproof. And then the Better Than Sex mascara, which I have really been liking as well, and I recently ran out of. And then this was something I actually saw on Amazon that I really wanted, and it helps to calm you when you're having a panic attack or just feeling really anxious. And you breathe in and out, and I guess it like kind of times you for your breaths. And then there's some type of a lavender scented pad inside. I don't know, but the commercial totally sold me on it. And then I have, it's gonna be hard to show you guys, but this really cute pajama set from Victoria's Secret, which is really, really pretty for the summer. It's like pants, and there's some lace embellishment on the edges, really beautiful. And then my husband got me this really cute Disney jewelry, so I just want to show you the box. It's so adorable, and this kind of like opens up like a storybook, and a little Mickey and Minnie necklace that I think is so adorable, and I'm excited to start wearing. So I just thought I'd show you guys what I just opened, and now we're going to head over and see my mom for a little bit. Okay guys, so we just got back from my mom's house. I put a sweater on because it is that cold and rainy out now. I'm really glad that we got our picnic in this morning, because this morning actually wasn't too bad, but now it is just so raw out, and we're supposed to go over my brother-in-law's house for a barbecue this evening, and it's pouring rain now, so that's unfortunate, but we're still gonna head over there so that I can see my mother-in-law. And it was nice to spend some time at my mom's today. And I forgot to show you guys this. So my husband got me more of these wine, well, this isn't the wand, this is the, I know I showed this to you guys on my recent favorites video, and I had just run out. So these are the wine wands, and if you're going to have a glass of wine, which it's Mother's Day, and I think I'm going to allow myself to have a glass tonight, even though I have really strictly stayed away from both caffeine and alcohol lately. I've only been having like a little bit of tea once in a while, but other than that, not much caffeine at all. But it's Mother's Day, and I think I'm going to let myself have a glass of wine. So these help to get all the sulfites out so that you don't get a headache or feel crappy the next day. And then this one is pretty cool because this has a little nozzle that goes on the top of the bottle. And since my husband is going to have a glass with me, we're going to just, you know, use this on the bottle. And yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I'm really glad that I was able to share today with you guys, because it really was a very special day, and I hope that you guys are all having a nice Mother's Day too, and enjoying time with the people that you love. I see our neighbors right now. They're actually setting up a tent in their yard for the rain, and they're like doing an outdoor thing. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to go over my brother-in-law's and sister-in-law's house now to do round 2 of Mother's Day and see my husband's side of the family. I don't know if you guys remembered, but I bought these peace lilies a while ago, and they are doing so well. For some reason, this one is not like always in the best health. It needs a lot of water, and the flowers on this one are white and they haven't really bloomed yet, but this one has been just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. The colors are vibrant, and it's just been really healthy, and I'm super happy with it. So just thought I would share that with you guys because I cannot believe that I am finally keeping plants alive in my house. It's actually been a struggle. So this is really nice. I think I found like the right location and they are thriving. A little update on what I've been reading because this has been actually a horrible reading month for me, but this book, Elizabeth and Her German Garden by Elizabeth von Arman, has been kind of just like a relaxing read at night, and I've tabbed a lot of the things that she said were pretty funny. As I'm getting more into the book though, she is kind of a snob, to be honest, and I don't agree with a lot of the things that she says. She's very like entitled, but aside from that, there were some really great quotes and things in the beginning of the book. So I've been reading this when I just need to like calm down at night. And then The Paris Wife. This is my Patreon book club for the month of May. And I'm starting to get into it. So far so good. I'm really not too far in it, but I really have to start reading more because we have that coming up at the end of the month. And I'm really excited for it. So that is what I've been reading lately. I just got an Amazon delivery, so I usually wear two-piece bathing suits, and for our Disney trip, I wanted to invest in a couple of one-pieces. So this company, Cupshe, has some really cute bathing suits, and I just wanted to show you how cute the packaging is. I still have to open this one, but I wanted to show you the first one that I opened, this pretty turquoise one-piece, and I still have to try them on. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be keeping them, and let me open this to show you what this one looks like. Okay, this one is just black, and I like how it has like the ruching in the stomach. That's kind of what I was going for. And one of the reasons I don't really like one pieces because I feel like they're so snug against your belly. And because I am very small up top, I just always feel like I have like a belly bump. So hopefully that helps. And they're pretty similar on top, although this has like the 3 holes on top and this one just has the 1. And I like this little like beveled cutout on the sides. And yeah, it's weird though. This has a funky smell to it. It smells, I don't know if it's like dye or what the odor is, but I'll certainly wash it before I wear it. And hopefully at least one of these works for me, and maybe I'll get lucky and they'll both look nice. Okay guys, so we just got home and we picked up Friendly's on the way, and I got mint chocolate chip ice cream with hot fudge and whipped cream and a cherry. So we're gonna have a little dessert now, and we're gonna get ready for bed because it's almost 8 o'clock already. And the dogs are having a late dinner. They're starving. Chester, what are you doing?
He got jealous because I was petting Leo, and then he jumped up on me and scared away Leo.
You okay there, Madison? Chester. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for today. We are back home and I am just going to take a hot shower or a bath or something just to warm up because it's been so cold and rainy today. And I'm really glad that I was able to bring you guys along for this Mother's Day. It was a really great day. We had a lot of fun. And I'm really happy with all of the fun things that my kids had planned, the picnic and the hike, and it was just really nice. So I hope that you guys all had a really nice Mother's Day too, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.